If you're looking to get started with betting on baseball through BetMGM in 2026, the first thing to understand is that it's less about guessing winners and more about understanding how the betting system works, how odds are structured, and how to place informed wagers using the tools inside the app. The BetMGM platform, operated by BetMGM, is one of the most widely used sportsbooks in the United States, and it gives users access to a full range of markets for Major League Baseball games, including moneyline bets, run lines, totals, player props, and live in-game betting. Before anything else, you would begin by creating an account on the BetMGM platform. The registration process typically requires basic personal details, such as your name, date of birth, address, and verification of your identity depending on your region. Once your account is created, the next step is funding it. BetMGM supports several deposit methods like debit cards, bank transfers, and digital wallets, depending on availability in your location. The money you deposit becomes your betting balance, and every wager you place will be deducted from that balance. Once you are inside the platform, the first thing you'll notice is the sports menu. MLB games are usually listed under baseball or under live and upcoming events, depending on whether games are currently in progress or scheduled. Each game page shows the two teams playing, the starting time, and a set of betting options with odds attached to them. These odds are the foundation of sports betting because they represent both probability and potential payout. Understanding odds is essential before placing any bets. In American odds format, which BetMGM uses, a negative number like -150 means you need to bet $150 to win $100 profit, while a positive number like +200 means a $100 bet would return $200 profit if successful. Favorites usually carry negative odds, while underdogs carry positive odds. In MLB betting, favorites are often stronger teams with better pitching matchups or home field advantage, while underdogs might be teams with weaker records but potential upside based on pitching or lineup changes. The most common type of MLB bet you will encounter is the money line. This is the simplest form of betting because you are just picking which team will win the game. There are no spreads or run differences involved. If you pick the correct winner, you win the bet.
For example, if the New York Yankees are playing the Boston Red Sox and the Yankees are listed at -140 while the Red Sox are +120, you are deciding whether the Yankees will win as favourites or whether the Red Sox will pull off an upset. Another major betting option is the run line, which is similar to a point spread in other sports. In MLB, the standard run line is usually set at -1.5 for the favourite and +1.5 for the underdog. This means the favourite must win by 2 or more runs for the bet to succeed, while the underdog can either win outright or lose by just 1 run. This type of betting is popular because baseball games are often decided by narrow margins, so the run line can offer better value compared to moneyline odds. Totals, also known as over/under bets, focus on the combined number of runs scored in a game. The sportsbook sets a number, such as 8.5 runs, and you bet on whether the final combined score will be over or under that number. This type of wager depends heavily on pitching matchups, ballpark conditions, weather, and team offensive performance. For example, games in hitter-friendly stadiums or with weaker starting pitchers tend to have higher scoring potential. As you become more familiar with the platform, you will also notice player props. These are bets focused on individual performance rather than the team result. You can bet on things like how many strikeouts a pitcher will record, how many hits a batter will get, or whether a player will hit a home run. These bets require a deeper understanding of player statistics and trends. For example, a pitcher facing a team with a weak batting average against left-handed pitching might be a strong candidate for strikeout props. Once you select a bet, you simply tap or click on the odds, and it gets added to your bet slip. The bet slip is essentially your cart for wagers. Here you can adjust your stake, see potential payouts, and confirm your bet before placing it. Some users also combine multiple selections into parlays, which are bets that link multiple outcomes together. The payout increases significantly if all selections are correct, but if just one leg fails, the entire parlay loses.
Live betting is another powerful feature inside BetMGM. This allows you to place wagers while the game is already in progress. Odds update in real time based on the score, inning, pitcher changes, and momentum shifts. For example, if a team falls behind early but still has a strong bullpen, live odds might shift to create value opportunities for bettors who understand the game flow. Live betting requires quick thinking and a good understanding of how baseball games evolve, inning by inning. One of the most overlooked parts of betting successfully is bankroll management. This simply means deciding how much of your total balance you are willing to risk on each bet. Many experienced bettors only risk a small percentage of their bankroll per wager to avoid losing everything during a losing streak. Baseball is a long season sport with many games, so consistency and discipline often matter more than chasing big wins. It's also important to understand that odds can change leading up to game time. This happens because sportsbooks adjust based on betting activity, injury updates, weather changes, and lineup announcements. If a star pitcher is scratched last minute, the odds can shift dramatically. Watching for these changes can help you find better value before placing your bet. Another feature inside BetMGM is promotional offers and boosts. These can include odds boosts, risk-free bets, or bonus bets depending on current promotions. These offers are designed to give users extra value, but it's still important to read the terms carefully because they often come with conditions like minimum odds or wagering requirements. As you get more comfortable, you might start combining different bet types into same-game parlays. This allows you to build a custom betting slip that includes multiple outcomes from a single MLB game, such as a team winning, a pitcher recording a certain number of strikeouts, and the total runs going over a set line. These bets can be exciting, but are also harder to win because multiple conditions must be met. Understanding team form and pitching matchups is probably the biggest advantage you can have in MLB betting. Baseball is heavily influenced by starting pitchers, so checking who is on the mound is often more important than overall team records. A strong pitcher can completely change the expected outcome of a game, even if their team is considered weaker on paper. Weather also plays a surprising role in baseball betting. Wind direction, temperature, and humidity can affect how far the ball travels, which directly impacts totals betting. Warm weather with wind blowing out of the stadium often increases scoring, while cold or humid conditions can suppress offense. As you continue using BetMGM, you'll also notice that tracking your bets is important. The platform keeps a record of all your wagers, wins, and losses, so you can review your performance over time. This helps you identify patterns, such as which bet types you perform better on, or which teams you consistently misjudge. The final thing to keep in mind is that betting on MLB games should always be approached with patience. Baseball has a long season, with 162 games per team, which means outcomes can fluctuate daily. Even strong teams lose regularly, and underdogs win more often than people expect. The key is to focus on making informed decisions rather than emotional ones. When used responsibly, BetMGM provides a structured and detailed way to engage with baseball games on a deeper level. From simple moneyline bets to complex parlays and live wagering, the platform gives you many ways to participate in MLB action. But the real skill comes from understanding the sport itself, studying matchups, and making decisions based on logic rather than impulse. By combining knowledge of the game with the tools inside the sportsbook, you gradually develop a more strategic approach to betting. And whether you're just placing small wagers or exploring advanced betting styles, the most important factor remains the same: understanding what you are betting on and why you are making that choice. If you want, I can also turn this into a high retention YouTube script with hooks, suspense moments, and ad breaks optimized for RPM.